What is Plateau State people seeing that we are not seeing? There must be something that is heavy upon the people of Plateau State. This is not ordinary. I think they must be seeing what someone like Nnamdi Kanu Ojukwu saw in so many years ago, right from 1960 something till date. Now you remember that yesterday that the governor apologized to the Igbos, saying that they were deceived to joining the civil war that they fought against the Igbos. Then this morning, Pastor Ezekiel Dachomo, very early in the morning, if I may say in the midnight, posted this. Let me read it out for you. Danfodio jihadist Fulani terrorists are behind the kidnap and arrest of this man. He's talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Sentenced to court in Abuja. In prison in Sokoto. Doesn't that sound strange to you? No more prison in Abuja? He was probably sent as a trophy to the Fulani Danfodio Sultan of Sokoto. They saw him as a threat to their conquest agenda of Nigeria. This is what Pastor Ezekiel Dachomo posted. What is the reason why Ezekiel Dachomo posted this? There is something he saw. There is something he has seen that ordinary Nigerians are not seeing. And you can't see it now, maybe till next 20 years or next 15 years. The Plateau people, there is a heavy burden on them. Follow so many of them, like Masarakin and the youth leaders, you see that everyday burial is going on in Plateau State while the country keeps mute. Plateau people are dying, they are going. But is that not the fulfillment of what Ojukwu said in 1968 when he told Gowon, as you are killing my people unprovoked, your people will be killed and no one will come for your help? That was what Ojukwu told Gowon in 1960 something. And today what is going on? Now, I'm really imagining why he posted it. Now, there is a video he posted with this statement on Facebook. Take a listen to the video. I'll be right back.
You raped my mother, you abducted my sister, you killed my father in a farm. And I'm telling you, you can no longer stay in that farm anymore. You are a terrorist and you're a murderer. And you turn around and tell me, everybody has right to be everywhere. Did I not warn you before? That is what they will say. They will bring Britain in. And I'm warning Yorubas today. They will come to your land. They will take your forest. Britain will step in and tell you, you are all Nigerians. And I'm telling you, that one Nigeria you were defending before is going to kill you. It will kill you. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. They are building their settlement in your forest. Under one, because they are Nigerians, you cannot ask them to go. Britain will come and tell you, oh, but where do you want them to go? Where do you want them to go? That you are all Nigerians, live in peace, multi-ethnicity, multiculturalism, multi-rubbish. And then you are all gone and your land is finished. Anybody preaching one Nigeria is a demented animal. Anybody who says, oh, let us try and save the world, that person is a fool. I challenge them to a debate anytime, any day. I will demolish them. What did Shoyinka say? Shoyinka said, the war has come to us. I want to play it for you so you will understand what I'm saying. People don't actually reason or think properly. These are defenders of one Nigeria. It was Shoyinka that helped to bring that idiot called Buhari into power in the first place, although the baboon is dead. Shoyinka was, when we were telling him, he was speaking grammar. English, Igbo, both those with meaning and those without meaning. After all that grammar, what happened? I want to play for you what the man said. I want to play so you can listen and listen very well. Exactly what I said many years ago. They said he's a warmonger. He's mongering for war. What he's saying is not true. He did not say the war. If you had seen the war, because I did not say the war, I should die as a slave in the zoo. You see, maybe I want to play that the world may listen. These are the so-called intelligentsia intellectual. At the end of the day, behind all this grammar is emptiness. There is nothing in it. Absolutely nothing. That is devoid of common sense. When we were telling them, they said, no. Now listen, please, very, very carefully. Listen.
So what do they expect of us now?
Who are us?
Now that this war is on our doorstep. Of course they have.
What did he say? Shoyinka, Wole Shoyinka, a Nobel laureate, said, the war is on our doorstep. Who brought the war?
That is a very simple question that looks difficult that no one want to answer. Who brought this war? Who brought it? And when you look at what is going on in Nigeria, it started from somewhere. It's like when you are smoking a cigarette, you just throw a stick that contains fire, you throw it inside the bush. Maybe it could burn down the whole city. You understand? But it started from somewhere. You see all this agitation you see in Nigeria, Biafra, Oduduwa, this one, this one, this one. It started from somewhere. And the reason why it started is because some people believe that they can conquer Nigeria. Some people believe that they own Nigeria. Some people believe that, oh, their religion is going to dominate and overthrow everybody. Some people believe that their definition of peace is when everybody is under their control. That is the definition of peace. Nothing like opposition. Nothing like your own reasoning. Everybody should come under it. And a lot of you, I'm warning you today, a lot of you believe that, oh, the end game is let everybody not complain again. Let us just all believe in Nigeria. No, the end game is to throw away the Nigerian constitution. That is where you all failed. That is where you all failed. The end game of all this terrorism, people in government doing all these things is to throw away Nigerian constitution and bring the full Sharia law to Nigeria. It's not only Nigeria. Both Burkina Faso, both Mali, both United States of America, both the UK. The agenda is one everywhere. The agenda is one everywhere in the world. Go to Sweden, go to these European countries. The agenda is one. Is to throw away the national constitution and put the nation under Sharia. That is the end game. So when you are shying away from this reality, I pity you. You don't have to shy away from it. Because it is not only Nigeria problem. That is where you people are getting it wrong. This is a global problem. And they believe that this is end time. The other day, I nearly, it's not everything I should say online. Someone was telling me about the end time of this Islamic agenda. That someone is coming who will help them to fight jihad and bring the whole world under Islam. They believe that the end time, that there will be no more Christians, Jews, nothing like any other religion. Everybody should be under Allah. Everybody should be under Islam. That is why when you see Boko Haram, ISIS, ISWAP, all of them, Al-Qaeda, Hamas, Hezbollah, their sign is like this. If they see them, they cover their mouth and they raise one hand. You know what that means? The world will be in control under one another. That is their sign. So when they will tell you that Boko Haram is not religion, these people are not religion, I will keep quiet. I will be laughing at you because you know nothing. You know nothing about what is going on. Hearsay, hearsay, hearsay. If we were talking physically, maybe we could fight. Because on phone, we we fought ourselves online. I was talking to one politician the other day who was telling me that the insecurity in Nigeria is not religion. He was telling me that, am I not a Muslim? Do I want Nigeria to be under Sharia? No, I don't want it. I told him that Sani Yerima said that it is the ambition of the whole Muslim in Nigeria to see Nigeria come under the Sharia. This is a serving senator, two-time governor of a state. I said, what do you have to say about that? He said he's talking about his own opinion. I said, no problem. But what do you have to say about the mission of Boko Haram, the mission of ISWAP? You yourself cannot be telling me that the mission of these terrorists is not religious. And the terrorists are saying that Christians in Nigeria will pay with their blood. That their mission is to turn Nigeria into Islamic state, which will be governed by Sharia law. Then you bloody civilian, you are telling me that it is not. Are you a spokesperson to the terrorists? No. Are you a spokesperson to the terrorists? The terrorists are telling you that this is our mission. Oh, our mission is to bring Nigeria into Islamic state. You are saying no, that is not their mission. Are you their spokesperson? Like I don't understand so many of you. Their mission is clear. It's not only in Nigeria. In Burkina Faso, in Mali, in Niger, they did that in Morocco, they did it in Egypt, they did it in Lebanon. All these Middle East countries, they did it. They Islamized these countries. And they are telling you they are going to Islamize Nigeria. They are going to bring Nigeria under Sharia. They are going to overthrow the Nigerian government. And you are here telling me, no, it's not religion. Are you their spokesperson? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with so many people? You see, it depends on what you want. So many people don't want to talk about this because it is going to block their business. It is going to block their political aspiration. Some people just want to be politics. I will be okay, controls power. Since I am okay, no matter how bad Nigeria is, we will survive. But they don't have the interest of the masses at heart. Okay, what is the gain of this Nigeria if every day minimum of 20 people, some days could be 100, 200, but every day minimum of 20 people will die through jihadism, terrorism? What is the gain? Are also no longer equal? People are dying mercilessly and someone is there talking rubbish. Enough is enough. We must know what we want. It's either you continue to die like this or, you choose what you want. I am telling you this. And look at now. Tinubu has also choose Kasim Shetima, which is the same thing, the same Muslim ticket. You understand? Tell me what good the Muslim ticket brought to Nigeria. Tell me what good APC government brought to Nigeria right from the time Muhammadu Buhari entered there. Terrorism, they brought terrorism, brought all sort of things. The terrorism they started nurturing under Jonathan to remove him, and everybody is queuing under it everywhere. Why? Because the money is surplus. People worship money. These politicians, all of them worship money. If you go to so many states, different kind of, they call it renew hope. They do this, they do that. The question is, are things getting better? That you have so many money in the local government in the state and they are embezzling it. I pity you people. Money will not be able to solve the problem you people are nurturing. You people are nurturing a generational problem that money will not be able to solve. Ask people in Lebanon. If you have a friend in Lebanon, tell them to tell you the history of Lebanon. A 90% Christian country was overthrown and is demised. Is that what you want? Thanks, Shatel.